Hi guys, I just want to show you how to make a personalized ringtone from the new version of iTunes. So first of all, you're gonna have to choose the song where you want to take the ringtones from. So after that, you're gonna have to listen and then jot down where you want to start the ringtone and where you want to end it. So after that, you go back to the song and then right click it and then go to get info, and then you go to options, and then on the options you go to start time and stop time. So on the start time, you're gonna enter the starting time of your ringtone, and then on the stop time you're gonna enter the end time of your ringtone. So just gonna adjust, and then after that, since I want my ringtone to start to 105, so I have to enter 105 to the starting time, and then 124 to the stop time. And then after that, you just press OK. And then to make sure that your ringtone fits on the timing that you entered, you just listen to it.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to adjust it again because you know, to restrict it to also it's final. Then after that, you just go back to the song that you selected, and then go to, you will have to right click again and then go to create ACC version. Okay, so once it's converted, you will notice that the ACC version is a shorter one. The timing is a shorter one, so that means it's the one that you're gonna make as a ringtone. So before that, you will have to go back to the original song first, and then go back to get info, and then delete the starting time and the end time. So you will not mess it up when you synchronize with your phone. So now it's back to the original timing. So you just click OK, and then you go back to the ACC version, the shorter one. Then you just drag it outside the iTunes and then drag it on your desktop. So once it's there on your desktop, you only have to change the letter A, the small letter A on the end of the file name. I mean, yeah, and then you just, when this one appears there, you just press yes. There's nothing to worry about it. And then I think it would be better if you will change the file name of the ringtone as well. So if you're not going to use the original song, then you synchronize to your phone. So that's your final ringtone. So what you're gonna do is you just delete the ACC version. And then the ringtone, you just go to music, you go to tunes, and then you just drag it back into the iTunes where the tones are. Okay, so you have it there now. And then after that, you will just have to synchronize your phone. Okay, so once you finish to synchronize, just go to your phone and then you go to settings, and then in the settings you go to sounds, and then you go to ringtone, and then on your ringtones in the sounds you will see the ringtones there and the customized one, and then you will see the one you just made. You should see it there. That's the one I just made. To make sure that your ringtone works, it's better if you will make it shorter than 30 seconds. So it's gonna work like you don't have to worry if it's not playing right. And if you happen to have very long ringtone, you can still edit it when you go back to iTunes. So you don't have much to worry about, or you just have to do the process again. So that's it, and I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.